Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pucks and Pearls, and today we are going to be doing a fun nail stamping tutorial. The theme is going to be gold peacock, so I picked out some cool polish. First up, we're going to start out with the Beauty Secrets. This is a base coat. I got this from Sally's Beauty. This is in the large container. It's lasted me quite some time, and it does a really good job of just giving us a base coat before we put on any nail polish. It kind of fills in any ridges and gives us a good starting point. So for our polish that we're going to be using today, we are going to be taking the Girly bits. This is called the Showgirl Plucker. I don't think they have this anymore. This was, I think, an exclusive that I bought a while ago and never got to use, but it's a beautiful, to me, green and blue peacock shimmer glitter color. So we're going to go ahead and put that over the base coat once the base coat has dried. Now I did put on 2 coats of this, even though it's almost opaque in one coat. I definitely did add another one just to get it up to the color consistency that I wanted to. Girly Bits is an indie brand. She's actually located in Canada, but she has some great stuff. I just checked out her website, so lots of pretty polishes. Next up, we are going to lock in that manicure with a top coat. This is Seche Vite. This is my favorite top coat. I get this at Sally's. You can also get this at Ulta. But it's going to, again, just lock in your manicure and make it last longer. It's also going to provide a very glossy finish for all of your polish, and then it definitely also gives you I think it's a fast drying top coat, so it does it really quick so you don't have to wait around all day to move on to the next step. But especially over a glitter polish, it smooths out that coat. So next up for stamping, we're going to take a clear stamper. Now I got this from a store called Born Pretty, which is an online store in China. It does take a while to get things shipped to you, but I definitely recommend finding a clear stamper. And then for our stamping polish, we're taking the Lakin Ann. This is just a gold shimmer polish, and again, I got it from Born Pretty store. There are plenty of other stores that you can get locally. Moyo London has a lot of great stamping polishes as well. And then you need a scraper card. This is one I got from a company called Bundle Monster. Really like them as well. They have great stamping stuff. And then we're going to be using this gorgeous plate from Uber Chic Beauty. They have amazing stamping plates, and this one is a peacock theme, so I thought it would be perfect for this particular type of manicure. So we're also going to need pure acetone. This is from Beauty Secrets. I also get this at Sally's. We're going to be using this a lot throughout any type of nail stamping. You definitely need it. And then I'm also going to be using something called nail pads. These are really helpful in cleaning your plate in between stamping. It's kind of got a nice pad that you can put in between your fingers with some plastic so that you don't ruin your manicure while you're cleaning your plate. Very important. So let's start out with the stamping, guys. We're going to just start to paint a little bit of that stamping polish over the design that you want to stamp. We're going to take that Bundle Monster card, and at a 45-degree angle, we're just going to swipe lightly and then press straight down with your nail stamper. And then line it up for where you would like to put it on your nail, and then just press straight down and rotate until you get it on your nail. Now I kind of messed up a little bit there. I wanted more gold on my nail, so if you mess up, you can actually just take some acetone, wipe it off real quick without ruining your manicure because you have that base coat on. But I'm going to keep going here. So I definitely like to pick different designs, test out this plate. This was an amazing plate, and I actually did like this polish, although I couldn't find this particular brand for you guys. So again, I was recommending some other stores to look for nail stamping polish, but it actually cleaned up on the plate really well. You'll see me in between stamping, cleaning that plate with that nail pad, and it actually cleaned pretty easily. Some like black and white sometimes get the plate really dirty, but the gold shimmer was really easy to clean off. So again, I'm just taking my time using different designs, covering them with paint, stamping straight onto my nail, and then moving on to cleaning. So guys, once we've put all of the different designs on that you want to do, the next step is going back in with that top coat from Seche Vite. We need to lock in that manicure, and again, this just helps extend it and cover up all of the stamping that you did. And normally the stamping polish dries very quickly, so you typically can go in pretty fast and put a top coat on, just again to seal the design on your nail. And so after that, you're going to notice we have a lot of um, excess paint on our nails. So we're going to go back in with that pure acetone. Again, very, very handy. And then I'm also going to be taking a little nail vial. Again, I got this at Sally's Beauty, very cheap, very affordable, just to put in some of that pure acetone. I'm also going to take a brush. This one is from e.l.f. It's actually their concealer brush, but it does really good for cleanup around the edge of your nail. And I also I'm taking a Winstonia brush. This one just had a little bit bigger paddle because I had a lot of cleanup to do. Now you'll notice that there are products on the market that you could use to actually help prevent getting this much paint on your nail. You could just put regular tape on your nail before you do stamping, or there is something called liquid nail tape, which I do have, I just couldn't find for this manicure, and I'm not sure if it would even be any good at this point because it's really, really old. But again, it just took me a while, but I was able to take that pure acetone in that brush and just clean up all around my nail, making it all kind of like nice and put together. But again, there are other things you can use that can kind of help prevent needing to take so long on this step. This definitely took me a little bit longer than I had anticipated. So lastly, I did put a cuticle oil on. This is a peppermint scent from KB Shimmer. They're another great indie brand. You just click it up and paint it around your nails. And I put that on before I took my final picture, guys. And this is the final manicure, how it came out. I was really happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!